Hello everyone, this is Namita here. I'm back again today with a new topic, how to make him commit. So I have been talking about this topic earlier as well, and today again I'm going to talk about it. Many a times it happens in our relationship that we are kind of, at times we are eating food, we are enjoying it, but there is no nutrition in that food. There is no value in that food that we are eating. We are just eating calories because we are enjoying the taste. So there is something similar which happens in a relationship as well. We are in a relationship and the relationship is not going anywhere. There is no future in that relationship, but still we are into that relationship and we cannot accept the fact that this person can actually go away, or I can live without this person in a relationship. So what is that? That is something similar. You're just eating food without the nutrition. The relationship need to have a future, or you need to be certain about it, that if you are okay about it, we need to we need to understand as a third person, and we are seeing the two people. A friend of mine, she came to me and she said that it's been more than a year that I am in relationship with this man, and he is not talking about marriage. And what she's thinking is, she's thinking about children, she's thinking about marriage, but the relationship is not going anywhere. I mean, but she says that he is serious about me. And when I asked her, and what makes you think that he is serious about you? So she says that he's investing so much of his time with me, he's giving me so much attention, he's making me feel so special. So I want you to understand, these are two things, two different things. One thing is that he is giving you that attention and his time. That doesn't mean it is what he thinks about the future, or maybe what his intention is. We need to segregate that what he is doing with you, and are you okay about it? Sometimes we become vulnerable, we become emotionally weak, and we think that no matter what, I am going to be there with this person, because I love him so much, or I love her so much, I cannot live without him. He is finally going to agree, and I'll give him so much of love, unconditional love, that he'll say yes to it. When we are thinking something like this, we need to correct ourselves, because what he wants is completely in his hands. It is his choice, and what you are doing is your choice. So stop thinking about that, what he wants from the relationship. You need to know what you want the relationship, what you want in the relationship, and you need to ask specific questions relating to it. And when you realize that as soon as you bring up those questions, the other person starts running away from it, then you need to be okay about that this relationship is not going to have future. Then it is your choice. You still want to be there in that relationship, or you want to move out? Are you okay to have a memory, a good memory with that person? Then it's okay. You can continue having one after the other memories. You can keep going on one holiday after the other, another holiday, as long as this is what you also want from the relationship. But we should not get confused, or we should not start taking out the results, or final statements basis, like we do the theorems, that as per x is equal to y is equal to b. It may be a situation that x still is not equal to b. There may be a situation he is giving you time, he is giving you money, but he is not serious about you. Maybe what he wants from that relationship is just that casual fling. So I want you to understand that what he is thinking and you are thinking may be different. If today you're watching this video, it means there is something around in your relationship where you think is not right, or the other person is not committing. And if you're thinking that way, you can ask specific questions, and still you don't get the answer, means you have got the answer about that relationship. And you should be okay about it. You have to accept what's going around in that. When you decide that you will keep on giving this love unconditionally to that person, and that person then is going to one day, give up to you or sum up towards you, there may be a possibility that you are going in a wrong direction. This person may not give you that value. In fact, he might start taking you for granted. You are always available for him. He starts thinking that she's always there. So if I talk to her or if I don't talk to her, it's okay about it. So think twice before making that decision. Now there comes different thought process. There's one more friend of mine, she says, I don't want to meet anyone. Why? I will meet only the man who will marry me. I mean, seriously? You are only going to meet a man if he is going to get married to you, or you're only going on a date if he is going to get married to you? You don't know this. We all need to take that risk. We all need to take that leap of faith. We all need to meet that person, but then we need to know that he is different and I am different. During this process, what happens is there are some of us who gets involved so much, who becomes so much vulnerable, that they think that no, I cannot leave this man, or I cannot live without her, I cannot leave her, it will break me. So when you are in such a situation, I want you to get stronger, get hold of yourself, because when you are of high value, you know what you want in a relationship, and you can take a decision to walk away from that relationship. Trust me, that man or that girl starts giving you that weightage that you want in life. And we need such a man who respects us, who respect our choices, who respect our feelings. We don't have to run around after a person who is not serious about us. And even if you want to be there, if your heart says, no, I still want to be with him, you're most welcome to be with him. But then you have to turn down or reset your expectations. You have to be okay of having beautiful memories with him. You have to have a peace with yourself, because getting harmony within yourself is the utmost priority, is what I want to tell you. I hope this video was of some help. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you.